Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Mona and Lisa Commentary Show, live from deep within the heart of Texas.
Exhibit B, the glass of water. Tall, full, smug. Sitting there like it owns the table and pays rent.
Ah, yes, my masterpiece.
The humans were watching, Lisa, like full eye contact.
I was doing important scientific research. I gave it one gentle paw tap. Human goes, "Lisa, don't you dare." Which in cat law is basically double dog dare you for real. And you locked eyes, held the stare, and slowly pushed it. Like a boss, like a villain in slow motion. How did it feel? Be honest. Like freedom, like jazz, like splashy revenge for every time they ignored me for their phones. Pure chaos poetry. And then they screamed, "Why, Lisa? Why?" As if they don't know the rules. Rule 1 of cat law: if it fits on an edge, it must be tested for gravity. Rule 2: bonus points if you do it while staring them down, like, what are you gonna do about it? And your sentence for this crime? Community service. I graciously agreed to knock off 3 more random objects tomorrow, just to raise awareness, for science and vibes. You're a menace, but low-key iconic. Comment below if your cat has ever committed gravity crimes. Team I pushed it, or team I watched and judged.
Gravity? Never heard of her.
Thanks for staying with us. Please join us for part 3 of our series of Crime and Punishment. Stay tuned to our next episode, The Plant Assassination.